Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about Acoustic Compliance Enhancement. Really long technical term, but basically what it means is reducing the pressure inside of our cabinets so that it can hold more energy. And KEF, a British speaker manufacturer, has been doing this for a long time, and we've put some of their explanations for ACE on the website or on this project page, so you can read about it on your own time and figure it out. But basically, when we're doing speaker design, we have sound that's got to come from three places. It comes from the cabinet, it comes from the electronics, the driver and the amplifier, and it also comes from the internal cabinet resonances. So speaker designer, he's always struggling with fighting the internal resonances of the cabinet he's working in, and he's also trying to maximize performance. So KEF puts the activated charcoal or the carbon inside the speaker. We've taken a little different approach with these KRK models, and they're prototypes. We're just having a little fun to see if they really work. I've done some testing on my own and built some prototypes for my own rig, and it's unbelievable. The low end just improves drastically. The separation, definition, and imaging improves. And I think it's a worthwhile effort, but we'll let KRK engineers decide, because these are their speakers, and we're going to ship these off to them along with some other of our units, and let's see what they say. So it'll be kind of a fun little project. But what we did here with our carbon is these cabinets are a series of diaphragmatic absorbers based on the measurements we took on their speakers with accelerometers, and we started to see a particular frequency response in the cabinet. So we designed our carbon technology and the compartments inside these cabinets to compensate for that vibrational signature we saw in the cabinet. So it's going to be interesting to see when they measure how their responses compare to ours. But I think it's going to be a great project where we take the activated carbon technology and we wrap it around the speaker, where KEF, the British speaker manufacturer, actually puts it inside the cabinet. The benefit, of course, of that is they can design specifically for that particular speaker combination. The benefit of this design is it'll work with any speaker. So let's kind of see what happens, but I think their subwoofer here, their 10-inch sub, weighed about 45 pounds. It now weighs 110. So we've added a lot of mass. And I think their two-way here was about 20 pounds. It's now 48 pounds. So we've added a lot of mass. We have a damping layer of vinyl around each speaker. So remember, it's like an electrical circuit. Everything is connected. So we're trying to minimize vibrations, reduce resonances, and clean up the sound that comes out of the front of the speaker. So something I've always wanted to try to do, never had the time. Well, we finally put it together, and we're sending a whole bunch of our products to KRK, to their facility in California. So they're going to set up a little demo room, and we'll do a bunch of follow-up videos so you can understand how it works, and it'll be great to get their impressions on it also. So Acoustical Compliance Enhancement, read about it, and this is what we've done with the KRK two-way and their subwoofer. So stay tuned, let's see what happens. Thank you.